demo of Bajaj Classic 750 mixer and grinder. The Bajaj Classic 750 has a powerful motor of 750 watts which helps in grinding tough ingredients easily. With pulse function, you can quickly process the ingredients before you start blending them. Classic 750 comes along with 3 jars, a grinding jar, liquidizing jar and a chutney jar. The Classic 750 has 3 different blades such as chutney blade, liquidizing blade and a blade for dry grinding. Wet or dry grinding. This jar serves the need of pureeing or blending. For palak puree, fill the jar with fresh leaves of palak. Then cover the jar with dome assembly and turn the mixer on. Keep going till the desired consistency is achieved. And the puree of fresh palak is ready. Liquidizing jar. The liquidizing jar helps in making favorite shakes and lassi. Place the jar onto the main unit. Add the pieces of chopped chicos to make the chico milkshake. Add milk. Make sure the dome assembly is locked properly. Turn the mixer on. And in few minutes the milkshake will be ready. Enjoy the chilled milkshake on a hot summer afternoon. Chutney jar. This jar is used generally for grinding all the dry spices to make a special blend of homemade masalas. Slide in the necessary ingredients to make coriander chutney. Cover the jar with dome assembly. Turn on the mixer and your masala will be ready soon. The new Bajaj Classic 750 is here to make your cooking easy and your food delicious. Explore Bajaj Classic 750 and make something awesome today.
Presenting the Prestige Iris mixer grinder in white and blue color. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and 1 juicer jar. It has a powerful 750 watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding and blending functions in the kitchen. It comes with a motor overload protector switch that ensures safety for your appliance. The main unit of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and a transparent juicer jar for all grinding, blending and juicing needs. The stainless steel jars are rust resistant and can be washed and wiped easily. The easy grip handles are sturdy and are made of durable plastic that prevents slippage. The mixer grinder has a multifunction blade system with stainless steel blades that makes blending and grinding an easy task. The cylindrical shape of the mixer grinder makes it compact, and the 3-speed setting with whip function allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference.
Butterfly presents Thunder 750 watts mixer grinder with 4 jars. Smart architecture for durability and stability. The ergonomically designed body is made with shockproof ABS material. The 750 watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long durability of the motor. The new series of mixer grinder has an auto locking jar system. The enveloping jars prevent internal spillage and it's very easy to clean. Specially designed handles for better grip. Ergonomically designed polycarbonate transparent juicer jar is unbreakable. Pusher and fine mesh are available for filtration and helps you to segregate seeds and dry pulp for fine juice extraction. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars with fixed razor-sharp blades for different grinding applications. The 3-speed level setting allows you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The anti-skid base helps in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use.